Okay, we have another special order here. This company produces and sells oil filters for $3.25 each, and a retailer has offered to purchase 20,000 oil filters at $1.55 per filter. That's quite a bit less. So the total manufacturing cost of $2.10, $1.30 is the variable manufacturing cost per filter. So that's total variable manufacturing cost. So that could be direct material, direct labor, and some overhead. Okay, and then the rest would be fixed costs, like 80 cents of fixed cost per filter, which we would ignore. So for this special order, they would have to buy a special stamping machine that costs $8,000 to mark the customer's logo on the oil filter. The machine would then be scrapped when the order was complete. They would just throw it out, which would mean it's not worth anything. Okay, there won't be any cash inflow coming in at the end of the process. They use manufacturing capacity that would otherwise be idle. No variable non-manufacturing costs would be incurred by the special order, and regular sales would not be affected. So should they accept it? So our regular, I just put these down over here. My selling price normally is $3.25. For the special order, it's $1.55. Okay, I should say special order here, huh? Yeah. And then variable manufacturing costs is $1.30, and there's no change in that. It's still $1.30, and I've got one fixed cost for $8,000 that comes in. So the expected revenue from the order is 20,000 filters times $1.55 per filter, or 31,000. The variable manufacturing costs are 20,000 times $1.30, or 26. The fixed manufacturing cost then is one big lump of $8,000. So my total expenses are 34. We've got an expected decrease in operating income of $3,000 with this special order. Therefore, the company should not accept it because it will reduce operating income. Okay.